Welcome to Smart Real Estate Strategies, your go-to destination for savvy insights into the world of buying, selling, and investing in real estate. Whether you're a first-time home buyer, a seasoned property investor, someone looking to sell their home, or just interested in learning more about real estate, you're in the right place. Join us on this journey as we explore smart tactics, expert advice, and the latest trends in the real estate market. Let's navigate the world of real estate together and make informed decisions that elevate your property game. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for regular updates because when it comes to real estate, knowledge is key. In today's video, we'll delve into the 15 red flags to beware of when buying a home. Let's get started. Purchasing a home is a significant investment, and making an informed decision is crucial to ensuring a happy and secure living experience. Beyond aesthetics, there are numerous factors that can impact the value, safety, and long-term well-being of a property. In this comprehensive video guide, we will delve into 15 critical factors that every home buyer should consider before making such an important decision. From structural concerns to environmental considerations, this guide aims to provide an in-depth understanding of the potential red flags that may arise during the home buying process. Let's explore these factors to empower you with the knowledge needed to make a sound investment in your dream home. Let's review our list of the 15 red flags to beware of when buying a home. Number 1. A home next to a freeway. Living next to freeways may seem convenient for commuting, but it comes with its own set of challenges. Noise pollution and potential air quality concerns can affect your daily life and health. It's essential to weigh the convenience against the potential drawbacks before finalizing your decision. Also, when it comes time to sell a home next to a freeway, many buyers and investors avoid these types of properties. You will usually have to sell this home at a discount. Number 2. Homes on busy streets. Homes located on busy streets might offer easy access, but they also come with increased traffic noise and potential safety issues. Consider how these factors align with your lifestyle and priorities when choosing a home in such locations. Number 3. A home backing to an alleyway. Homes backing to alleyways may face privacy and security challenges. Assess the impact of the alley on your daily life and security and whether it aligns with your preferences and needs. Number 4. Floodplain or groundwater problems. Floods and groundwater issues can have severe consequences on a property's foundation. Investigate the property's susceptibility to flooding or groundwater problems to avoid potential structural damage and financial burdens in the future. It's highly recommended that you get a home inspection when buying a home to help identify potential or current issues. 5. Mold or moisture problems. Mold and moisture issues can be costly to mitigate and often indicate underlying problems. Evaluate the causes of mold problems, such as insufficient ventilation, plumbing leaks, and roof issues. Understanding these factors is crucial for effective prevention and mitigation. Number 6. Foundation issues. Foundation problems are among the most feared by homeowners. While minor cracks may not be alarming, significant issues such as bowing walls or significant settlements can weaken the structure. Have a licensed home inspector or contractor assess the severity of foundation problems to determine their impact on the property's long-term well-being. Number 7. Pet or animal problems. Pet odors, especially from urine, can be challenging to remedy. Consider the potential impact on future owners, as even well-trained pets may be attracted to areas where previous problems occurred. Addressing these issues is essential for maintaining a pleasant living environment. Number 8. Termites or termite damage. Termites can cause hidden and extensive damage. Thoroughly inspect for termite problems even if the property has been treated previously. Getting a termite inspection before buying a home is highly recommended. Understanding the extent of damage is crucial for making informed decisions about the property's condition. Number 9. Obsolete or problematic electrical wiring. Outdated wiring poses safety hazards and can affect insurance coverage. Don't underestimate the importance of addressing electrical problems, as faulty wiring can lead to shocks, electrocutions, and fires. Ensure the electrical systems meet current safety standards. We recommend using a licensed home inspector or contractor to help you identify any issues. Number 10. Buying next door to a fixer-upper or junker property. Consider the condition of the property next door or across the street, as they can impact the overall appeal and value of your potential home. Buying a property next door to a neglected home or fixer-upper may affect the value of your home. Number 11. Plumbing system concerns. Plumbing issues are common, but they should not be overlooked. Address leaks, valve problems, and outdated plumbing systems promptly to prevent more significant problems like rot, mold, and termite infestations. Number 12. Age and condition of HVAC systems. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning (HVAC) systems are critical for a comfortable living environment. Have a licensed professional evaluate the age and condition of the furnace and air conditioner to avoid potentially costly repairs and ensure healthy indoor air quality. Number 13. Wood deck evaluation. Wood decks add value to a home, but their condition is crucial for safety. Be sure to have a deck inspected for proper support and attachment to the house, as poorly maintained decks can pose safety risks leading to accidents and property damage. Number 14. Drainage and landscaping. Proper drainage is essential to prevent foundation issues, moisture intrusion, and termite attraction. Homeowners may hide past drainage problems, emphasizing the need for a thorough inspection. Understand the importance of sufficient drainage for the property's long-term stability. Number 15. Roof, siding, and gutter conditions. Roof, siding, and gutter problems can be costly to repair and may affect insurance coverage. Neglected homes may have additional issues that outweigh potential value increases. Thoroughly assess these elements to make an informed decision about the property's overall condition. Purchasing a home involves more than just finding a place that looks appealing. It requires careful consideration of various factors such as location, needed repairs, and the overall condition of the property. It requires a careful consideration of various factors that can impact your living experience and the property's long-term value. By being aware of these 15 critical factors, you empower yourself to make informed decisions during the home buying process. Remember that a thorough inspection, consultation with professionals, and a keen eye for potential red flags will contribute to a successful and satisfying home purchase. May your journey to homeownership be filled with confidence and excitement as you embark on this significant life milestone. Interested in learning more about real estate? Check out our resources in our description. Which of these 15 home buying red flags to be aware of did you find helpful? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for tuning in to Smart Real Estate Strategies. If you found value in today's insights on buying, selling, and investing in real estate, remember to give this video a thumbs up. Don't miss out on our weekly updates, which keep you informed about the latest trends in the dynamic world of real estate. Hit that subscribe button to join our growing community and stay ahead of the game. Your support means the world to us, and we look forward to sharing more valuable content with you. Until next time, happy real estate exploration, and remember, knowledge is your key to property success. See you in the next video.